Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level in Schedule 1. To begin, it's crucial to grasp the fundamental principles of progression within the system. We'll explore effective methods for accumulating experience points quickly and efficiently. By understanding these core mechanics, you can lay a solid foundation for rapid advancement. This guide will help you navigate the path to achieving the highest possible level. To maximize your experience gain, always prioritize activities that yield the most points per hour. Daily and weekly objectives are fantastic sources of bonus experience, often providing a significant boost to your progression. Don't forget to engage in group activities. They frequently offer increased efficiency and superior rewards, making your leveling journey much faster and more enjoyable. Optimizing your progression involves smart choices. Always equip gear that provides bonuses to experience gain or enhances your overall efficiency. Furthermore, make sure to leverage temporary buffs and consumables. These can offer a significant advantage, sometimes boosting your experience by 25% or more. A well-planned leveling path minimizes downtime and maximizes your output, ensuring steady advancement. For advanced leveling, mastering specific game mechanics can give you a crucial edge in experience farming. Consider joining a supportive community. Shared knowledge and assistance from experienced players can be invaluable. Finally, always stay updated on any game changes or patches, as these might introduce new, more efficient leveling strategies or alter existing ones, keeping you ahead of the curve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.